All right, we got something from White Mountain Knives. Open it up with this Quiet Carry the 9. It's a pretty awesome little knife. Let's see what's in here. Maxace. And it's a Black Mirror. Carbon fiber inlay. Pretty nice. Who makes this? Oh, Maxace made this. First flick. Woo. That's pretty sweet. There's a little breaking in. Can I thumb it? Thumb flick it. Thumb flick it. Yep. I got her. Maxace. Bowler M390. Well, it tells you it's a Black Mirror. There we go. Pretty cool cool looking blade. Stone washed. Oh, this guy wants to be on the camera too. Oh, Mr. Spider. Yeah, that reverse flick's really good. See if we can get this spider out of here. Spider. Spider. Get on there, spider. There you go. It looks nice. Pretty cool. Way to cut the Z paper. Oh yeah. Nice sharp. Ah. Very sharp right out of the box. There it is. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, day, whatever time it is.